Ma'am, knowingly being in possession of these two tags on your vehicle, it's felony forgery.
How's that felony? I mean,
it's a felony.
This came like this. This is original.
But you knew it belonged to a different vehicle. That's forgery.
A sunny day on August 2nd, 2024, when officers conducted what seemed like just another routine traffic stop. A black Chevrolet Suburban was pulled over, and what started as a simple issue with expired registration quickly raised red flags. Upon closer inspection, officers discovered the temporary plate on the vehicle was fraudulent. The driver had been previously stopped for the same offense, yet this time the plate appeared altered and mismatched. But was this just an innocent mistake, or was the driver intentionally trying to deceive law enforcement? Here's how it all went down.
Hey, so what's going on with that tag on the back of the car?
I've done everything the state has asked me to do in Gwinnett County.
Okay.
I hand you the papers of me getting a bond for the car.
Yeah, that tag doesn't come back to this car.
It comes back to Honda Accord, a black Honda Accord. So
why is it on this car?
Well, when I bought the car, I bought it like that. That's what the dealer did to me when I bought the car. He basically scammed me.
Okay.
Out of the tag, he wanted $5,000 more. When I bought the truck, I wouldn't give it to him, so he would not give me my registration. I'm in the process of getting a bond tag for this vehicle.
Okay.
I've done everything, but
you can't drive around with that tag on the car.
I'm in the process of getting it done, but the issue is I still owe $20,000 on this vehicle. I have the bond paperwork that was $3,500.
Okay, so what dealership is this?
This is in DeKalb County where I bought this car.
Do you have the name of the dealership?
I have all of that is on the bond paperwork if you want.
Yeah, you can get the paperwork. I'll be right back.
Progress 3356. Radio. 295 PTA and 1 CA for feedback. 70092. 70092.
Ma'am, knowingly being in possession of these two tags on your vehicle, it's felony forgery.
How's that felony? I mean,
It's a felony.
this came like this. This is the
but you knew it belonged to a different vehicle. That's forgery.
No, I did not do that. I purchased this vehicle.
I
and
understand,
he did
but
that.
you being in possession knowingly, it's illegal.
Yeah, but that's not of my doing.
It doesn't matter. You knew.
I
That doesn't
didn't
mean I'm
know
going to
that.
charge
No,
you
no,
with felony forgery.
No,
but when I said, you know, this belongs to a different vehicle, you said, yeah, it belongs to a Honda Accord.
Because I found out in this situation last year.
Did you get pulled over?
I got pulled over and the guy
So
told
why
me.
is it still on the car?
Because I have no way of getting it off the car.
And you've had a real tag assigned to this vehicle before.
No, never.
Yes.
Not me. Not LaShonda Franklin. Not LaShonda Franklin. I got it all right here.
I have a tag that was assigned to this vehicle.
A tag, and that's the tag right there that came onto this car.
This is fake and this is fake. There was a C tag.
It was a C tag that he gave me.
That was real.
Right? And it expired December 15th.
Yeah, but that was a real tag. You
So
should have just kept it on there.
He gave me another one. So when I went to ask him about where's my tag, why can't I go to the dealership? He said, no, I just need a little more time. I'm gonna give you this tag. I'll extend it to February. So I said, okay, me not knowing a regular civilian, I didn't know that this was a Honda Accord until an officer pulled me one day and said,
That's well and fine. But now, after the fact, you can't keep it on. You've been told before.
And this is
I
what
understand.
Georgia said that I have to do.
You would have been better off driving without this on the vehicle.
So just drive with it blank?
Yeah. Instead of committing literally felony forgery, knowing that there is a fake document made to look like a license plate issued by the state of Georgia.
Okay.
It's felony.
Okay.
I'm not going to charge you with felony forgery, but it's certainly illegal.
Okay.
Not to mention this. It's not even like it's a different license, like a different license plate just on your car. This is forged.
Right. It's a black Honda Accord.
Belongs to a different vehicle, but with your VIN number on it.
Right. That's what he did to me.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Man, I gotta give you tickets. So you're getting a ticket for fixing a license plate on the vehicle to conceal the identity of the vehicle, expired registration, and also display of plates for the tinted tag cover, and also having a license plate that is made to look like a license plate issued by the state of Georgia. Have you sign right here, here, and the very rear one.
In the end, the officer issued a citation for operating a motor vehicle without valid registration, but ultimately let the driver go without an arrest. Despite the fraudulent temporary tag, the officer chose not to escalate the situation. But here's the question. Did the officer take this seriously, or did they just decide to give her a break? Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before I have to take your plate cover next.